Welcome. Now let's look at this JAMB past question physics 2018 question number 8. Cathode rays are A. High energy electromagnetic waves, B. Protons, C. Neutrons, D. Streams of electrons. So what are cathode rays? Are they high energy electromagnetic waves, protons, neutrons, or streams of electrons? Now, cathode rays are streams of electrons, and its effects can be observed using a cathode ray tube in a process known as thermionic emission. So for us to understand this question very well, we need to state this fact that actually cathode rays are streams of electrons. That is what cathode rays are, streams of electrons. The effect of cathode rays can be observed using what we call a cathode ray tube. So when you check your textbook for cathode ray tube, you're going to see this very cathode ray, how it works, and again, this is the process that actually happens in the cathode ray is what we call thermionic emissions. So whenever there is the application of heat, there is release of some emissions. Thermionic emission simply means ionic emission due to the application of heat. So when you have heat on a filament, you have heat being applied, then there will be emission of some ionic particles, and this time around electrons. So when there is emission of electrons and these electrons move, we have what we call cathode rays. So you're going to look at this cathode ray tube and see how this motion is done in your physics textbook. Check under thermionic emission. We're going to read about cathode rays, and you see that actually cathode rays are actually streams of electrons. That is what cathode rays are, streams of electrons. So that is the answer to this problem. They are not protons, they are not neutrons, but they are streams of electrons. Thank you.